Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Pushpendra Singh. I'm here to talk about a movie Interstellar. I learned some moral from the movie Interstellar, which the movie which is concept on the space and the exploring the universe. So I have some learnings from these movie. So the first moral is never give up. We should never give up on something until we got success. This movie show us when we have so many problems, and we never give up on these problems until we got success. And the second moral is that empathy towards the nature, and towards the something like we show and we should also do empathy towards the nature. If we show empathy towards the something else, so that someone is also a favor in our. So this is a beautiful learning from these movies. And the third one is hard work. Without the hard work you can't achieve anything. So with the hard work, like impossible thing get possible, something work in your favor if you are focused mind and if you give our 100%. So with the hard work you can achieve anything. So these are the morals I got learned from the movie Interstellar. Yeah, signing out. This is Pushpendra Singh.
Hello, this is Vishal Singh. Today I'm going to talk about the movie Interstellar. Well, I have three morals what I have learned from the Interstellar movie, and first of all, let me give you a small. The movie is based on a space exploration. The thing is happening that on the Earth is dying actually. So the humans and some of the scientists and astronauts are trying to find out any other way and any other option to go on any other planet to live their life and to save the humanity. So, but I have some morals. I'm skipping all the parts and I am telling you the morals of the story. So I have chosen the three morals, and the first moral is love for the family and the humanity. The human are the emotional beings as we know, but still people are getting distracted. So what I feel like the human should be loving their family and the humanity always. Then this will make them very much happier in their life, and I think this is the real happiness for a human is. Well, in the movie, the Cooper, the lead role of the lead person is there. He was a father. He promised the daughter that he will come back as he was going to the space mission, and he promised that he will save the humanity, because all the mission was very accurate, and it was correct to know about. So he promised about this, and the love for their family as his son and the daughter. He was having the Cooper. He really worked hard in all the mission and exploration, and he saved the humanity and the family at the end. So there we can see the love for the family and the humanity in the movie. Another thing is another moral. Stability of the mind in any of the situation. Look, what happened in the movie is that there were many of the difficult situations, difficult in the sense of the physics situations. There were many of the universal situations, and another thing is the emotional situations were there because of her daughter and all that was going on. That all the web was there. So he was just handling very nicely, and he was having a very sharp mind in all the difficult situations too. This was the very biggest thing he was having that time, and he did his best in all the situations. He came back and he completed his mission, and he saved the humanity at the end. So this is the thing we can learn from the movie. Another thing, the third moral is we are meant to live, not to die. Well, we are talking about actually for the humans, especially here, that we are meant to live, not to die. In this movie, Cooper worked harder to live and to make his family live and the humanity live. He completed the mission. We can see that the one thing was there in his mind was to live and make the humanity live. Yes, so he followed this rule and he made it possible, and the thing made the life of the Cooper and the humanity more better, I think. And these are the three morals I have learned from the movie. Thank you very much.
Very good morning to all. My name is Mansi. I'm going to tell about Industrial movie. Industrial movie is very interesting movie. This movie is about space and universe. Watching this movie, I found some morals from this movie. I'm discussing three morals of industrial movie. So my first moral is time is relative. Time is relative, so spend it wisely. We don't have much time left before Earth. It may be a fact known to all of us, but on the way. Time is relative, and time is very important, so use wisely and relative. My second moral is love is powerful. Love is powerful. Industrial was more than just about a movie about space and universe. So it was a movie about love. It was a movie about universe. Love is powerful. It's when it's we able when we do thing out of love, so that we are able to create the some experience and do something. So my third moral is past is important in discovering secrets. So past is important in discovering secrets of the future. It's our ability to connect pieces. The past is very important, and of the past with the present, and will allow to unlock the future. When we are able to use past experience, past research and past events, that we are able to discovering secrets. So this morals I found of this movie. Thank you so much.
Good morning all of you. My name is Manpuria. I'm gonna talk about movie Interstellar. My first moral is family. Family is most important in our life. Family is our motivation. There is nothing like family in this world. My second motivation moral is love. Love is most important in our life. Without love you don't do anything, I think. It was a movie Interstellar. Show everyone love is most powerful in this world. You have a love, you can do anything. My third moral is past is very important for future. Past is very important for the future, because it's our ability to create with the past with the future. So it is very important to past for the future. Thank you. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I'm Keshav Gavagega. Moral of the Interstellar. So my first moral is that not cheat. We should not cheat, because who cheat, he don't success. In this movie, Dr. Mann cheat with Cooper, but he doesn't success. And second is that help others. We should help others, because helping others is a good habit. And Cooper friend, she is a lady. She went with her. She helps him, because when Dr. Mann cheat with him, then she helped him. And third is that live for others. We should live for others, because professor wants to save humanity. That's why he went to the space for explore the life, and that's why he सर सीक्रेट नासा बनाया.
They created
हाँ.
secret spaces.
That's why he created the secret spaces ANC.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Akash Badoria. I am telling about moral of the Interstellar movie. I have 3 points and my first point is everyone should help as Cooper helped his lady friend and the Cooper's the fuel of the Cooper's vehicle was finished and Cooper had take off his vehicle and not thought of himself and his lady friend also helped Cooper when Dr. Mann cheat on Cooper. And my second point is don't just think about yourself. As Cooper and his friends go to the Dr. Mann's vehicle and save the Dr. Mann life, but Dr. Mann still cheat on Cooper and his friend and yet Dr. Mann could not succeed. And my third point is immortal, as out of the earth time is runs slow and quickly inside the earth time is fast and people outside the earth people can millions of years and thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Mahawar. Today's topic is learning through movies. Today's movie name is Interstellar. First is I'm learning through this movie. First of all, adventure. Adventure is very important in our life because you are going to anywhere. If you if you know new things and your mind are generate adventure, and adventure is the best thing because if you are hiking mountain, if you show your result are you look like a very glorious and like a heaven mountains and images and whatever I said. Second is explore. Explore is the best thing because explore new things, your mind your generate new things and your mentality is increasing and thinkings and more thinkings and morals. And explore there are so many adventurous like Bear Grylls. This is adventurous and they are explore the world and first third and last patience. Patience is very important because you are seeing in the movie. Okay, Cooper are patience in the in universe. You are going to universe and they are take patience, but they are not. He did not give up. You are take patience. You are 1 day, 2 days, but patience of a result are very good and you are patience, and according to me patience is very important in our
Good
life.
evening to all. This is Aldor in front of you and today I am here to speak about my morals that I took up from the movie which is Interstellar. It was a very awesome movie. When I was when I was watching movie, in this movie there are lots of morals and I have to only choose only 3 morals. So I'm gonna share with you. So let's get started. So my first moral is never quit. As we all know, in this movie there is a main character. The name is Dr. Cooper. Dr. Cooper, he has a he has a good scientist, and he faced it a lots of problems, and he was just trying to solve the situation, and her the copper's daughter actually he don't want to she did not want to leave our father, but the copper he wanted to save our life and our earth also. So if we talk about the present time, so never quit is a sentence which never quit is a sentence which man make perfect. Like if we talk about the humans and students, they those students, they are studying 10th standard, and they easily quit because of exams. They fear exams, and lots of human lots of persons, they leave our job because of our boss. And we talk about the students is the most leavest person, and lots of person lots of students, they do they transfer to CBSE board into MP board because they fear a lot. They just want to do a good percentage, but because of transfer to CBSE pattern to MP board, it is a very tough situation when you learning a new things. So the pattern was not the pattern is so difficult, both sections. And my second moral is don't break anyone trust. So as we know, in this movie there is a character, the name was Dr. Man. Actually he cheated to copper team, don't know why, but the copper and the copper and Dr. Man, he both are belong to same country, but still they are doing cheated to everyone. It is not fair. And if we talk about the present time, there are lots of students, lots of students, lots of persons, they cheat everyone. Lots of person, they think that they think that they think to they don't think to get profit. What should I say? They always think ourselves. They don't think what other person they are doing, what they are doing wrong or bad. They just think own, मतलब अपने आप को सोचते हैं. And it is a very bad habit. And if we talk about the present time, so most of the people, they do this because of they are greedy, and they don't have to they have not actually those person, they are greedy. They feel that I am a person who can do everything. If we talk about the rich person, they always think that I am a rich and I can do everything. So it is a very bad habit. And if we talk about the poor person, they just want to eat something. They don't cheat everyone because they have they give respect, and they take as a respect. And my third moral is a human can do everything. So as we all know, in this movie there is a Dr. Copper. He Dr. Man and his daughter, his daughter Doctor Copper, Doctor Copper daughter, he made such a beautiful planet as a earth in Saturn. So Saturn, and now if we talk about the present time, lots of people they don't they have a cheap thing, if we talk about the village person, they have already, they mostly think that if our daughter and son they are doing bad thing, what people they say, and the we don't, so the poor person, they only want to give respect and take respect. Thank you, sir.
So good morning, good evening all. This is Raj Mandal in front of you. I would like to tell you some morals which I took from the movie Interstellar. So let's start. My first moral is always duty is in front. As we all know, the person the duty of a person is always in front. If we take the example of soldiers and farmers, if any terrorist attack is held, so the soldiers, if he is in holiday but still he has to go in the war, and he have to save the peoples, and such like that. The farmers are also come, if any heavy rainfall or flood, any storm comes, so he have to go immediately for save his crops. And there are so many examples, if we do our duty properly, so we can achieve anything. And as a student, I said that I want to say that if we do anything, so we can achieve anything. And that's it. And my next topic is always try to do whether it will success or not. As we all know that so many people are doing so many things which is impossible, because they know that nothing is impossible in the universe, still they do. If we take the movie Interstellar, in that the scientist astronaut Cooper, he knew that it is too hard to find a planet with life, but still he went. And he knew that he never come after that, he will never meet with his family, but still he went. And his willpower is too strong. That's why he after some time, after lots of years, he meet with their family. By this moral we can learn that nothing is impossible in the universe. And try again and again. After that, at the end, we have success. And my third moral is believe on our family. If we believe in on our family members, so we can achieve everything. Nowadays so many people are doing so many people want to do something, and if they are denied from his family members, so they are disappointed and go in depression. If they are aligned with their family members, so they can achieve everything. They do lots of hard work. And if anyone want to do anything, so he go anywhere. If anyone want to go anywhere and want to achieve anything, if the family support with him, so he can achieve everything. And by this we can learn that the support of family member is also need for achieve anything. And by as we saw the movie Interstellar, and in that the support, the astronaut Cooper has the full support from his family and from his daughter also. That's why he discover a planet. He go to discover a planet with a life, and he saw so many things. In his journey, he learned so many things, and he lose so many memories. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for listening my video, and thank you for giving me your precious time.
So hello guys, and very good evening to all of you. And so before starting my thoughts, I would like to tell you my introduction. So I'm Sachin Gaur, and I'm studying in 8th class, and playing chess and studying, these are my hobbies. So now I will start my 3 morals which I took out from the Interstellar movie. So my first moral is never give up, and never lose the confidence. As we can talk about the Dr. Cooper, he did not lose his confidence, whether he went to universe, and there the situation of do or die, and but still he went, and he get success. As and many situations we get from our life to our life, like in that situation we don't get success in first time. So we should not accept the defeat. We should try again and try, so we can get. There is nothing that can stop us if we will try. So my second moral is deed and faith. These are two things that we write from ourselves. As we can talk about the faith is in everybody's life, but it gives us by our deed. As we can talk about everybody wants to get a luxury life, but they get their life by their work. And like Cooper, he did so more hard work. He did not get defeat, and he did hard work, and so he get his faith by his work. And so I will tell a story like a person who want a luxury life. In his faith, it was written by God, but he did so more bad works, and by that he get a very bad life, like he did not have anything to eat, and he sleep on the roof. And so the third moral is I have seen many people, so they always live for them. So first we should try to live for others. If we will try to live for others, so we can get many things. Like Cooper, he did not think about himself, and he thought for the earth, and he went to universe, and at last he got a planet for the earth people to live. And if we will talk about the Dr. Mann, when the Cooper team searched the Dr. Mann, so at last the Dr. Mann gave Dr. Mann cheats the Cooper team, and he went from there by taking his spaceship, and at last the Cooper also helps, but the Dr. Mann doesn't listen him, and at last when he joined with the gravity station, so there the trooper said more times, no, don't open the gate, but he did not listen and he opened the gate. So at that time he lost her life, and by that many big situation happens, but the trooper solved that, and they get success. So we should sometimes we should live for us, but some of the times we should try to live for others. So thank you to all of you for listening me carefully.